Welcome back to the free OpenAI AgentKit course by ABCs of AI. In the last video, I covered access and pricing, and in this one, part 3, I'll set up our build environment with both the Visual Builder and the Code SDK. So let's get started. Now I'm going to show you the Visual Builder setup. You first do your login in case you have an account, or if you're not, you just need to sign up. So you go, then you need to put your email, password, security measures. In my case, I have to verify my identity using an authenticator. Then you go to your icon profile on the upper corner. Then you click on profile and you have access to everything to configure. You have the billing, that's what I'm showing now, and you can also put your budget there. Some things are already like presets. And then you go to general. That's where in the navigation where is important to do your verification process, and you just show your ID to OpenAI, and then it turns green. You need to pay for that, but they $5, but then they will give you back. And then you click on the dashboard, and you have the access to the Agent Builder on your left. So here's the code-based approach you have for Python and for TypeScript. Python on the left, TypeScript on the right. So for Python setup, it's pretty easy. You just create a project directory, create a virtual environment where you put everything inside, and then you install the SDK via pip, and then you set up your API key as an environment variable. For TypeScript, obviously requires Node.js version, and I'm not very experienced with TypeScript, so just read the documentation, and then you should test in Python if it works. So you just import your agent and runner, you create a simple agent with instructions, you run it with a test prompt, and if you see, in this case, the prompt was write a haiku, which is a poem, a short 3-line poem. And if I see the poem, so it's working. And this is important just because the advantages the SDK gives you is just you have like full programmatic control, can integrate easily with existing applications, you can use Git. So it's just the old way, I think. So that's the foundation and the end of the video 1 about AgentKit. So you learn about what AgentKit really is, who can access it, the costs. But I am just getting started, and I hope to see you in the next videos where I'll dive into the platform components, compare the AgentKit to alternatives like Zapier and Make, and show how to optimize costs and cover the limitations nobody talks about. And I'll walk you through building a real agent in a demonstration. So this is a complete series. In the future, I'll add to the courses. That is a new thing on YouTube. Subscribe and hit the bell so you can have the notifications when I'll put the next videos of this series and you don't miss anything. You can always give feedback, comments. I would love that, and see you in the next one. This is ABCs of AI. Bye.